Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be going over how to set up your LLC step by step for free. If you guys want to skip to exactly how to do that, I'll include the timestamp down below. But in the meantime, we're going to go over what is an LLC and why you should even want one. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. So what is an LLC? LLC is a type of business structure. There's a few business structures. Some of the three most popular are LLCs, S Corps, and C Corps. LLC stands for limited liability, which means exactly what it says. It protects you in the case of a lawsuit or somebody trying to come toward your assets, or what they call piercing the corporate veil. LLC is also perfect for startups and new entrepreneurs. So here is Investopedia's definition of a LLC. An LLC is a corporate structure that protects its owners from being personally pursued for repayment of the company's debts or liabilities. So what is an LLC used for? A LLC limits personal liability issues, so it takes things out of your name, takes assets out of your name and puts it into the LLC, which is, in my opinion, a lot better than being a sole proprietor. It also comes with a lot of other benefits, like when it comes to raising capital with banks and getting funding. It also helps with raising capital from investors because, of course, it's perceived as a lot more professional than just being a sole proprietor. It also has amazing tax advantages, and it's really, really easy to set up, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up through using Busy, and I'll include a link to that down below. Yes, it's an affiliate link and it helps support the channel. So if you guys would use that, I would appreciate that. So what are the tax advantages of an LLC? With corporations, tax is applied twice, once to the income of the corporation and again to the income of the owners. With LLCs, tax is only applied once to the income of the owners. It's a pass-through entity and can also get taxed as an S Corp through an S Corp election. If you set this up properly with your accountant, this isn't legal or tax advice. Definitely contact and speak and communicate with your CPA or accountant before you guys structure this and go this path. LLC or LLC's S Corp election would be one of the best structure for startups. So where could you set up an LLC for free? So there's 3 websites. I'll include the links to all of them down below. The one we'll be using for this video is Busy, previously called Inkfile. That's personally the one I used for all of my LLCs and corporations. So I'm going to be transitioning now into showing you guys how to do that. Also, you guys could use Taylor Brands or Northwest. All right, guys, now let's transition and show you how to exactly do this on Busy's website. So here we are on Busy's website. At the time of this video, this is how this will look. It might change if you're watching this video later, but the first 2 things that you guys want to put is LLC and state, Florida. I'm currently in New York, so let's put New York. Get started. So here there's 3 ones that you could choose from. The first one is the basic one with the $205 state fee. And this gives you guys a lot of options. So if you guys are on a budget, then you guys could go with this one. I personally recommend this one. This is the one I usually go with because it saves a lot of time for all of these services that are provided and is really beneficial in my opinion. So here are some of the things that this comes with. Free first-year registered agent service, preparing and filing the articles of an organization, expedited filing. This is extra. I usually don't do this, but if you guys need to get it filed ASAP, then of course you could go with this. Business contract templates. I never use this, so you guys I don't recommend you guys do this. EIN business tax number. There is a way to get this for free on your own if you guys go on the IRS website, but if you guys just want to keep things simple and save yourself time and have somebody do it properly for you, then I definitely recommend just doing it on this website. Operating agreement, domain name plus business email. First year, this doesn't come with it. It comes with lifetime compliance alerts, unlimited phone and email support, online access dashboard, business bank account offer, business tax consultation, and IRS form 2553. Another big benefit with getting a lot of these documents is when it comes to you getting access to business funding. The more documents you have when you walk in the bank, it looks a lot more professional and increases the probability to get approved for the funding. All right. So for this video, I'm going to choose this, get started. So I'm going to call the LLC AD Global Ventures. That's the name of one of mine already. So AD Global Ventures LLC, or you guys could name it whatever your initials are and put group. I personally recommend that you guys keep the name vague. So in the future, for whatever reason, if you guys change your business or your industry, you guys don't have to go through the hassle of filing an amendment to change the name of the corporation. And also, the more vague it is, the more it helps you guys get higher limit approvals and higher limit funding with the banks. So those are the two I recommend. You could either call it Global Ventures or a group or just something vague. All right, so next thing on the list. So like it showed earlier, if you guys want to get this done in one business day, it will be 50 extra. If you guys have the time to wait, you guys could do this. I usually do this one. So here you put your first and last name. Put your email. I'm going to put my business email. Put your number. So here it's going to ask you for the company address. You guys could use your own address, or what I recommend and what looks a lot more professional is when you guys have a registered agent. They have this as a service, so you guys could have a registered agent service with them. And it's really helpful when you guys have a company like this do this for you, because they will get all of the mail that comes to the business and upload it on their website for you and give you notifications when you guys get that. And also it looks a lot more professional when you guys get funding as well. So those are the benefits of getting one with them. You guys could always use your address as well if you don't want to go that route. So for the sake of this video, I'll put this. For the address, I'm just going to put whatever. So here they're offering you guys more services if you guys need help with any of this. I usually don't do this, but if you guys want to, you could if it makes sense for you. So I'm going to put no thanks. Select number of members. I'm going to put 1. If you guys have more, you guys could obviously put more. Next. So here they're offering you guys a registered agent free for 1 year. I would definitely recommend this. I currently have a registered agent for one of my corporations / LLCs. So I definitely recommend when it comes with a lot of benefits, like being perceived as more professional, them taking care of your mail, and them filing the annual reports for you. When I just started one of my first LLCs, I forgot to file the annual report the first year, and I got charged a $300 fine. So I ended up having to pay around $500 just to file the annual report. That way the corporation stays open and doesn't close down. So that's why I would definitely recommend something like this, because even though you guys are paying something up front, you guys could save a lot more in the long run and not forget when it comes to remembering or forgetting to file your annual report. So that's one of the big reasons why I just ended up going with the registered agent address after. Next. So on this part, they're helping you make your EIN, which is something that you guys definitely need for the corporation, especially when it comes to applying for funding. Your EIN is basically your social security number for the corporation. So here they're asking you your info. Here I'm going to put whatever. Here they're offering a Bank of America business account. If you guys currently don't have a business bank account, then this is a good option. If you guys do, then you guys could skip this. I'm going to skip this. Here they're offering tax strategy consultation. Not interested. So if your business needs any business licenses, then you could definitely go with this. I'm going to put no thanks. Now here, this is the order summary. So they're showing you everything before you're done. Double confirm and check this before you fully go through with this, because it's going to save you time if you guys want to make any changes after. Next. And here is where you fill out the rest of the application, put in your card number, and boom, you have your first LLC. All right, guys, I hope that was a super helpful video. I included the link down below to Busy and the other websites where you could set up your LLC. I would definitely appreciate if you guys use those, as it helps support the channel. If you guys have any questions, make sure to ask me down below, or if you guys have any videos you guys want me to make, definitely subscribe to the channel if you still haven't, and I'll see you guys here on the next one.